The strange key hiccup found beneath a waterfall. Welcome back, guys, into my new story of today on my this cinema circle boost channel. Okay, Hiccup had explored every inch of Burke, but one stormy afternoon, as he sought shelter near a hidden waterfall, something unusual caught his eye. Behind the cascading water wedged between two rocks was an ancient looking key. Its surface rusted, yet the intricate engravings shimmered faintly. Curious, Hiccup pried it free and showed it to Astrid and Gober. I have never seen anything like this, Gober muttered, turning it over in his hands. It's not Viking craftsmanship. Determined to uncover its secret, Hiccup and Toothless followed a faint dragon symbol carved into the key's handle. It led them to a forgotten cave deep within Burke's cliffs. As they stepped inside, torches on the walls flickered to life, revealing a massive stone door covered in ancient ruins. Hiccup inserted the key into the center of the door. The ground trembled, and with a deep rumble, the door creaked open, revealing a hidden chamber filled with dragons' eggs, each glowing with mysterious energy. At the center of the room rested a massive stone carved tablet. Hiccup dusted it off and read the inscription: to those who seek harmony with dragons, these eggs belong to the future protectors of Burke. Hiccup's heart pounded. This was a lost sanctuary, one that could change the future of dragons forever. But why had it been hidden, and who left it behind? As he turned to Astrid, her eyes mirrored his excitement. Looks like we just uncovered Burke's greatest secret, and with that, their next adventure had just begun.